If you are struggling to hit 1,000 subscribers, you are not alone. I was stuck at 0 for weeks, posting videos that had no views. But once I changed my approach, I got my first 1,000 subscribers faster than I ever imagined. And today, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. No fluff, no gimmicks. If you follow what I'm about to show you, you will surely see results. Here's the truth. 90% of new YouTubers quit even before they reach 1,000 subscribers. Why? Because they think it's all about uploading random videos and waiting for views. But YouTube doesn't work like that. Mistakes most new YouTubers make. They don't understand how YouTube works. They create content no one is searching for. And they focus on views instead of CTR and retention. I found myself guilty of all these mistakes. I posted what I felt like. And cricket, no views. It wasn't until I changed my strategy that I started seeing real growth. So let's break it down. Here's the process I followed to go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers. And you can do it too. 1. Niche down and solve a problem. People don't subscribe for you. They subscribe for value. I repeat, people don't subscribe for you. They subscribe for value. So pick one nice topic and create helping videos that solve a problem. Think about it. Would you rather watch a channel that posts random videos or the one that helps you solve a specific problem? 2. If no one clicks on your video, you won't get views. Most new YouTubers have low click-through rate. I thought I had a great content until I checked my CTR. It was below 2%. That means for 100 people that saw my video, only 2 clicked. That's bad. Use bold and high contrast thumbnails. Your titles should be curiosity driven. For example, this mistake is killing your channel. Study what's working. Mr. Beast, Abu, Abdal, etc. YouTube's #1 goal is to keep people on the platform. So if your audience leave early, YouTube won't recommend your video. Here's how I fixed my retention and click-through rate. Hook your audience in the first 5 seconds of your video. Don't waste time. Keep them engaged with curiosity. For example, stick to the end of this video because I'll reveal a secret tip. Here's how things got crazy. Once I had a better retention and click-through rate, YouTube finally started recommending my videos. That's how the growth started. The more people watch, the more YouTube recommends you. It's a snowball effect. One good video can change everything. Now you know how to hit your 1,000 subscribers. But knowledge alone isn't enough. You need to apply it. Pick a niche and make a value-driven content. Focus on your CTR retention and keeping people engaged. Post consistently and never give up. Until we meet again, goodbye.